Good evening, my people. Good evening, Abiandoma. Good evening, Abiandemureze Mozo. On one who can about Kepu TV. And today is a beautiful Sunday, being Sunday, the 15th day of June, 2025. So, Allah Shalana, you are about Ekeoha Remodeling Projects, Ekeoha Shopping Center. Today was Sunday. You got your background. You got back to back. But before we able to the car now, we could make a share button and also like this video so that the YouTube and we can now the man dying. So looking at my back here, you will see a very bountiful giant equipment. Got a pump, cement pump mixer, all the mixi. Oga Pompo send there, and this is the biggest of them all. You guys haven't used to do before. So what are we trying to say? His Excellency Dr. Otti, His Excellency Dr. Otti, OFR, also remember because of the pace marketers in Agabiga, you also remember let him mobilize to bring in more equipment. The thing about the Ruba now, the Ruba 5 minutes over here. So another one now to bring in more sophisticated equipment to expedite action. Can we get it faster? Can they push? You know, if our brothers can they miss it? Maybe this was a collapse or assemble. There's need for them to use a cement mixer, cement pumping machine. Can we get push or so that is exactly what you are seeing here. In a DGM, you can look about JBT 50 10 85. So here with the capacity, concrete mixer with the pump, one air pump, you know miss, you want to pump here, already in our 4 decking, you want to pump again everywhere. So this is the second floor in one room. So let us also show you the second phase of the work because the target you completed this 2-story building now. Here we just do this one, kind of foundation, DPC level. Or on DPC level, what they push you this one and we can as in people we now return back to this one as they completed, as they are returning back and they push one car so that the car now about the one another demolition, more places. Here you will see that these people Haji Haman yes, Haman Kahari. So everybody now was Sunday and I back to back because of elevators, because of so many shops and all here so many individuals. You can see almost pure cement came on our Weber, almost pure cement. He didn't know Weber and a care. You see, Keshima. So look at the block of shops that are springing out. Ekeoha shopping center. A one in town and also a first class shopping center. At least one week a year one week area. Yes, area international market. So all your name because the government is a continuum. Every day during the last administration. But this government we can up there so that people win a sense of belonging. When you are saying that about economic hub of the Southeast or calling about talking about the Japan of Africa. What makes us Japan of Africa when we are trading in a risky place, trading at shops dilapidated, shops that keep on collapsing on daily basis. Do you want people to die? So you make a Excellency December. You know we can speed up this project that is going to do it. So as they play, that's what they show. That is actually why His Excellency now mobilized to bring in this DGM cement mixer to expedite action. To expedite action, to fasten up action, to quicken up action, so that all right we can push here now. So BBC is feeling, and the ones I was the 2-story. Guy was just 2-story now. Next thing now, a finish here up a roofing because you can't go. Matakwa bukwa elevator ebe owuli na-aga mu elevator ga-ebuga ga ebe na-aga o bukwa o nwekwara Wi-Fi system and also o nwekwara ebe me thoroughfare ebe arụrụ for fire service nke ha owu nke ahụ na abụ ofu ahụ nọ na Constitution Crescent. So stay tuned on Kebu TV. We have a lot to show you. Stay tuned for more gist and also more gossip on Kebu TV. As I said earlier, like, comment and also ask a question. But about today was Sunday, 15th day of June 2025. A ongoing, fastly and also steadily pushing Ekeoha remodeling project. Men of fire. I'm here Sunday, I'm weekend. I'm public holiday, I'm Father's Day. About Father's Day, I was here on the but duty calls that we need to be here to push. So looking at this place, you can see the machine. How you know? So this is smaller one. How you go with this lift here now get up. So on the delay the order, and so many people, so many workers. Now here is trouble. Now here okay. You know, I am a human being. I never went to the so his excellency I say what? Now complain a lot too much. That cement mixer, pumping mixer. This big one, two. So one can on the way. Communicate fast enough actions so that the guy can miss. Now which one gave a only miss when I send the regular up there. Here we can now floor now. So I believe you have seen it all. I don't want to talk about how to get a shop or how much it costs to get a shop, but at least we want to show you that people that are doing this business or people that are Reno Homes and Property Limited are doing so well in taking care and also pushing for this very project. So okay, I'm here and you guys fully kitted, my regalia, my helmet, and every other things that makes somebody a guinea holder, an engineer holder or site holder. So follow us. Let's show you something. Maybe I know here Guruka and a mega hona and a push the oro na ike. So if time permits, we'll also be showing you up there. Game weekend no here Guruka. So this is a staircase in the elevator. This gonna be the staircase for the Ekeoha remodeling project. So let's tour around this beautiful area here outside. So you gotta be very careful and also watchful. Makana akanona oro. Even the mixture, how solid here now wood. There's difference between being an engineer and also being a medicine man. Here now whereby is so solid. Here now whereby okay. So this is the site. Reno Homes and Properties Limited are managed, and they are pushing all the roads or who run the car again put na along express. Everything is now where this is just a pillar. Everything is now where bojom awusha you got this shore. Now I can we get rate as an order. We don't want mistake. Reno Homes and Property Limited has been doing this for ages and all is so careful. And His Excellency Dr. Otti was able to select the best because Governor will hide us, and he is here to give ambiance. You know, yes, that's it. You are very happy being from Abia. You are very happy being proud to associate with Abia State. You are so happy to also have invest in Abia State. So here today, so we are here to show you how the work they go and not help Guruka. Stay tuned on Kebu TV for more gigs and also more information.